Hello viewers, welcome to Prepare Yourself YouTube channel. Today's I discuss about modify tool. First of all, I show you how can you erase any line or anything. First of all, I draw a circle. Now I want to erase it. Click here, then select it and erase it. Now I show you. Now I talk about trim and extend. Now first of all, I select line command, then I draw here. I draw a rectangle, and you can see that I draw line outside of rectangle because of, and then I select all the lines and rectangle and press J, then enter. Now if I click here, this line is call it one line. Now I select this line, then I take trim. Now I erase one by one outside of rectangle. Click here, click here, click here. Now I show you how can you use extend. Now click line and make rectangle. Take another line, take another line, take another line. Now take another line. Now select all the lines and then take extend. Click here, click here, click here, click here. Now I talk about rotate. First of all, I take rectangle, then select it. I want to rotate it. First, click the rotate point, then give the angle. I give 60 degree and press enter. Now I talk about mirror. First of all, I take rectangle, then select it, then click mirror, then select point and click here and click no. That's all for the today. Thanks for watching my video.